Welcome to our demonstration of APP2Speak. APP2Speak provides three prominent features for speech and communication: preset pages, text-to-speech page, and custom pages. You're looking at preset page 1.
I'm feeling sad. I want to get cleaned up.
So each picture has a word or a phrase indicating a want or a need. If you select the male, this is the male voice.
I'm tired. I have pain.
And if you need pictures that are a little bit bigger because of visual difficulties, select big. And you can scroll up
I need my medicine.
and scroll down. This is preset page 2, 3, and 4. If you want to move or turn pictures on and off, you would simply slide the button over to the right. You can see the yellow check marks, and you would just turn the check marks to X's, slide the button back over, and you can see that those pictures are turned off. If you want to move pictures, slide the button to the right. I'm going to turn these back on. And let's say I want to move the beverages up. And they just simply move up. If you have questions or need additional information, select the green question mark. This is the help page. It gives further instructions for the custom pages, turning pictures on and off, moving pictures, sharing custom pictures. There's also a feature that you can start APP2Speak on the preset pages, the custom page, or text-to-speech for your preference. If you want to start on the text-to-speech page, you would simply slide the button to turn text-to-speech on. So here's the text-to-speech. Type in your message. You can adjust the font size and then press speak.
Hello.
Custom pages begin on page 5. And simply, by sliding the button over to the right, select your area that you want to take a picture, or you can use your photo library. Go to your camera roll. I want to put in the McDonald's picture. I'll title the picture by typing in a word. And then here, you can type in your phrase of what you want it to say. Let's go to McDonald's. Remove your keyboard, select Save, click OK, and close.
Let's go to McDonald's.
If you want to take a picture within APP2Speak, again, slide the button to the right, select the area you want to take the picture in, select Take a Photo, take a picture, use photo, type in what you want it to say. Starbucks is popular. And I'd love to have a coffee. You can see that there is word prediction down here. Remove your keyboard, select Save, click OK, and close.
I love a coffee.
To use your own speech, you would simply slide the button over to the right. I'm going to go back into the Starbucks picture. Press and select, and then the settings box pops up. I'm going to delete I'd love a coffee, and I'm going to select the voice. Touch the record button. Let's go to Starbucks. Stop. You can replay it. Let's go to Starbucks. And if you're happy with that recording, save, click OK, and close. Custom pages are endless. You can also move custom pages simply by selecting the page number. Here is custom page 6. I downloaded some photos of some popular places that people might like to go, and you can do the same. You can move pages by sliding the button over to the right, selecting the page, and let's say I want to move this to page 5. It's actually page 6. So you just scroll to 5, confirm, and now page 6 is 5, and the one we were working on is now page 6. You can also share your pages with other App2Speak users. Slide the button over to the right, and you would hit share. You would have the other iPad that has the App2Speak loaded on it, and you would connect both iPads, and then you would send that page to the other App2Speak user. App2Speak is compatible with Bluetooth switches. I recommend familiarizing yourself with the iPad accessibility features. These features will help you set touch accommodations for tremors, ataxia, and the other settings include the switch control and the vision. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the App2Speak demo. If you have further questions, please feel free to visit the website at app2speak.com, or you may reach out to me at gbaldwin@app2speak.com. Thank you.